This is a statement from for the following county, Frederick, Maryland. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for small streams in northwestern Frederick County in north-central Maryland until 3:15 p.m. At 11:09 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated that heavy rain has been falling over the area. The heavy rain will cause flooding. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen, especially in the Saviolaceville and Thurmont areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Thurmont, Emmitsburg, Walkersville, Wolfsville, Woodsboro, Saviolaceville, Fort Ritchie, Pleasant Walk, Rocky Ridge, Utica, Grayson, and Lewistown. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Page, Rockingham, and Shenandoah. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for Shenandoah County in northwestern Virginia, Northern Rockingham County in western Virginia, Page County in northwestern Virginia until 3:30 p.m. At 11:24 a.m., Doppler radar and automated heavy rain has fallen over the area. Flooding and some minor flooding is already occurring. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Strasburg, Wheatstone, Luray, Broadway, Timberville, Shenandoah, Mount Jackson, Stanley, Bathi, Bryce Mountain, New Market, Bathi, Edinburgh, Morristown, Toms Brook, Alma, Newport, Tunis, Hunterville, Ingham, and Kings Crossing. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. From the National Weather Service. For the following county, York, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a flood warning for Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania, Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, York County in south-central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, Eastern Lycoming County in north-central Pennsylvania, Montour County in central Pennsylvania, Columbia in central Pennsylvania, Sullivan County in north-central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 10:30 p.m. At 4:36 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain that will cause flooding. Up to 1.5 inches of rain has already fallen, mainly across the western regions of the Susquehanna Valley. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lancaster, Harrisburg, York, Lebanon, Lower Allen, Hanover, Bloomsburg, Pottsville, Hershey, Ephrata, Colonial Park, Weigelstown, Elizabethtown, Berwick, Columbia, Sunbury, Progress, Lidditz, Middletown, and Millersville. Additional rainfall amounts of 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. This will be especially the case across the eastern portion of the Susquehanna Valley, as bands of heavy rain lift northward from northern Maryland through the early evening hours. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Maryland, Carroll, and Frederick. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for small streams in northwestern Carroll County in north-central Maryland, northeastern Frederick County in north-central Maryland, until 11:45 p.m. At 7:51 p.m., the reporting gauge at Bridgeport on the Monocacy River indicated the river at flood stage. Up to 2.5 inches of rain fell earlier today. Small streams in the warned area are likely out of their banks. Some locations that will experience flooding include Tanatown, Kaysville, and Harney. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route.